Well, hello to all good people of the world. This is Paul Whittakin returning to you today with the universal law of numbers, and we're going to get started right away. 264. Did you know 264 squared was 69696? There's a 666. The purpose of today's presentation is to help us understand the code 181818, otherwise known as 818181. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to add 1, 2, 4, 2, 5, 7, 8, and it's going to equal 181818. Really, it will be 818181, 818181. So what we're going to do is we are going to learn that we can, in fact, add these numbers very simply. But in addition to that, we are going to understand how it is moving in terms of a rotation. Now, the universal law of numbers has magnitude and direction, and the direction here is 248751. It's going 248751, 714714, 784215, or actually here it's 248751. It's going that direction. 248751 that direction, and 248751 in that direction. Okay, so we use this. This is a bit of a cheat sheet because in reality, what this is this. And in order to understand this, we need to understand that even though we're looking at this thing right here that looks like 647485, and it is, but it turns into 79012345 So unless you understand the parts like that, which are very helpful, that one helps you. If you know how to use it, you can do everything we're doing here with this one and more. But this one displays the two important things. The only two important things that we need are the repeating sequences and the ending sequence that occurs at the 9th revolution. And that's what this gives us. So 1, 2, 4 plus 5, 7, 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 0, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 0, 4, 9, 3, 8, 2, 7, 1, 6, 3, 9, 5, 0, 6, 1, 7, 2, 8, 1, 9, 7, 5, 3, 0, 8, 6, 4, 5, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 9, 1, 3, plus 308, 641, 975, 469, 135, 802, 604, 938, 271, 839, 506, 172, 790, 123, 456, 320, 987, 654. Okay, so you saw how I did that. Now you might say I didn't count a couple of numbers, and in fact it is kind of true. What I'm doing is this 0 repeats, we don't use it. This one is the same one as there. Okay, so we know what we're adding, and now what kind of a result will we get? Well, the result is 818, 1, 8, 1. 8, 1, 8, 1, 8, 1. It will go on forever. 8, 1, 8, 1, 8, 1. Well, we'll see what it does, and you can determine what you think of it yourself. However, that adding this number to this number in that fashion will equal 8, 1, 8, 1, 8, 1. And if we notice right here we have an 8 and right here we have a 1. The right hand side of the number 8 is an 8. The left hand side is a 1. That's the repeating sequence. The repeating sequence on 1, on the left hand side is a 1, and on the right hand side is an 8. And that 1 and that 8 are the same as this 1 and this 8. So if I want, I can do it over here. Like, it's going to start 4, 3, 2, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Then it's going to go 5, 6, 7, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And rather than me going over here and then here or here and here, I don't know how it makes the difference necessarily, but we can certainly just use this one, and since it's closer, we will. So adding this 1, 2, and 4 to 5, 7, and 8 in the fashion that I described, it's going to equal, it's going to start with an 8, and it's going to go 4, 3, 2, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, and then it's going to go 1, and it will go 5, 6, 7, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then it will come back and do an 8 again. And it will go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 0, 9, 8, 7. And then it will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 0, 0. It will do that. And then it will go 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 0. And then it will end 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that's what it equals. And that you can, just by knowing the ending sequences, you can do that in your head, but you just would have to know where to start and what order it goes in. And we won't get too much into that, and I will admit that I don't understand that all entirely myself. I just know what it does. So this is what it did, and what I just showed you was that, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and blah, blah, blah. Adding this to this, it's going to be 4, 3, 2, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay? Now, that's an 8. That's a 1, that's an 8, that's a 1, that's an 8, that's a 1, and they are in fact the ones that I showed you. So the important thing to understand here about what is going on is that it will continue being 8, 1, 8, 1, 8, 1. However, there will be this glitch, so to speak, which is just what the universal law of numbers always does. And this thing here, you know, that's why I have to do another one, because, you know, people can't understand the first one, because on the first one it'll go 1, 9, 7, 4, and this is a 5 here. But in fact it is a 4, because it's a 4 before it's a 5. So I'm authorized to tell you that this is a 4, and sometimes a 4 is a 5, and sometimes a 5 is a 4, which happens here. So that's basically, in my mind, what happens here. It creates a whole new set of continuity that makes this thing go on forever. And then finally, this 7 probably, I don't know, it should be a 1, so it probably adds with a 3 somewhere down the road to become a 1. I don't know. I haven't multiplied them all out that far. But I did multiply them out this far, and we see something that's going on. Namely, what we see going on is a rotation. So this, in effect, is not a static entity. it moves, it has magnitude and direction, and when it moves, we always see sequences occurring. So the sequence that we're going to get here is from that, it comes from this, and it comes from this. So it comes from 1, or it comes from 8, or it comes from a combination of the two. And we know that 1, like this, is made up of 1 and 8, and 8, like this, is made up of 8 and a 1. So basically what happens is, if I add them, we're always going to get this same sequence, the 1-8 sequence. Now if I start from here, this is what we get. Now let's say I start from here, and I add them all out, and I add them up like this. Well, in that case, 4320986, we won't start with that, it will start with this one. 654320987, which is this one, 654320987. And okay, so then we do the whole thing out. It will still give us the 818181. Very good. And then we go one step further. Let's say we start from here. 1975 over 790 gives 987. And that's what it'll be. It'll be that 987654320. And as I've mentioned here, we have this thing that goes on here on that one. And basically, 7 is a bit of an enigma. Any number that you divide by 7, 987654321, except for 7, of course, because 7 divides 7 is 1. But other than that, if you divide 7, what you're going to get is the 248751 code. Now, when we do 3 revolutions, if I start from here, that's 1, 2, 3, then I'm going to come back to have the same answer. It's still going to be 818181, and it's going to be in this original orientation. It'll go 4320975, then 5679012334. However, what it will be doing up here in this sense will be that the 308641 will be on the top, and the 123456790 will be on the bottom, but it will still be 432098765. And then on the 6th, if I start with here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then at the end of the 6th revolution, it comes back to be exactly what it is here. So it'll do a flip over. It'll be completely flipped over on the 3rd revolution, but it will give the same result. And it takes 6 full revolutions to come back to being what it is right here. And there's more to that, but that's sufficient for today to get you started. If you want to learn something about that yourselves, please, all good people of the world, do boycott the Jewish aristocracy and their minions who are taking over our country. Thank you. Peace and happiness to all good people of the world.